Juvenile boy, but I need that beat. Yeah. Miller nigga, the jack, the beat shackle.
Lord, please, could you make me a bird where I can fly? Away from here. Cause my life is so depressing and my city's so hectic. Yeah, my city's so hectic. Make me a bird where I can fly. Away from here. Cause my life is so depressing and my city's so hectic. Yeah, my city's so hectic.
From the hood, no father figure. Went to the rough school. Good sound familiar. My hometown, dang where it's at. Coming up shit, seem far-fetched. If you doing dirt, you better not trust nobody. Remember, people even snitched on John Gotti. I ain't no street dude, I be doing nothing. But yet, I'm still out here, and I'm struggling. Thinking back to the hoop and most serious. Now I'm sparking this green, and delirious. Young nigga from the hood, yeah, that's real shit. If you was born with a gold spoon, you ain't feeling this. Trials and trials, I took the losses. The wrong choice, it might just cost me. The wrong hoe, can fuck up my bankroll. Hanging with the wrong friend, can cost me, bro. Moving vibes, don't be flashing, bro. Contradicting myself, shit. Cause I did that shit before. Wrong from it, no motherfucking wicked pole. Can't be no lame, get your ass finesse, man. Total dolo, most of the time. You can hear it through my vocals, you can feel the pain. My daydream gets sidetracked by reality. A grown ass bone and my mama home. Brought my baby mama and my kids alone. Pandemic got everybody named mama tripping. Shit, it's hard out here, yet it's real. Motherfuckers on child support.